Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johnson. This is the third video for spooky season drawings. Now, we're going to be drawing a ghost today. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go get out of this drawing. Let's go see what
So for the first step of making our ghost, we're going to begin by making two big circles for the eyes. Awesome, now above each circle that we just made, we're going to make one eyebrow. Now inside of those circles that we previously made, we're going to add one circle inside of each one. Fantastic, now we're going to make a huge upside down U above everything that we just made. Now from that upside down U, we're going to make the lower half of our ghost. Wow, this is coming along very well. Now for the next step, we're going to make the mouth of our ghost. So this will be the part that gets a little bit tricky. I know that hands can be very hard to make, but we're going to make a hand on each side for our ghost. That's a really good first hand. Now let's connect that hand to the body. Now let's hop over to the right side and do the same thing that we just did to the left. Awesome, the outline for our ghost is completely finished, but that doesn't mean that we're done just yet. Now for the next step, we're going to get out a different black marker, or whatever you're using, to color in the eyes of our ghost. The reason for this is, if you color in with your Sharpie, it might cause it to run out a little bit faster than expected. Now let's go ahead and color in the eyes of our ghost, but we will not color in the little circle that we made earlier inside of the eyes. Wow, that looks fantastic. Now the next step is optional. I'm going to go over the body of my ghost and I'm going to outline it because personally I feel like it looks better. But if you want to end the video now, that's completely okay as well. Or continue to outline your ghost with me. This is How to Draw a Ghost. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub.